and welcome to this tutorial. Today we're gonna see how to install Oh My Posh on Ubuntu Windows Subsystem. So first of all, we're gonna go to ohmyposh.edev. Then we're gonna go here to get started. We're gonna go to under installations Linux, and here we're gonna have all the commands that we will need in. So first of all, we're gonna select here the manual option and just start copying these commands here. So you're just gonna hit copy and paste it here in your terminal. In my case, I already have done this, so I'm just not gonna hit enter, but in your case, just hit enter. Okay, so that will be the first one. Then we're gonna go with this one here, and same thing, just hit enter. So once we have done this, we're already gonna have on my Posh in our terminal. So now we will need to add the themes that we have for our terminal. So we're going to create here a folder. Perfect. Now we're going to get all the available themes here. Just copy, paste it. So as you see, we have here a themes.zip file, so we need just to unzip it. So we're gonna copy this, paste it. Perfect. We're gonna add some permissions to the folder so we can use it, and last will be deleting the original file. Perfect. We can go ahead and clear our terminal. If you want, you can go ahead and check that all the things has been installed. Just put it to the next command. It's gonna take you to the folder. You're gonna see all of them. Okay, so once we have done this, the next step will be installing a phone. If you click here, Oh My Posh is gonna give you a command that you can use to install the default or the fonts that they suggest you to use. If you hit enter here, let's see, let me go ahead and open a new terminal. There it is. So you can see here all the font options that they give you. If I'm honest with you, I don't really like these ones, so what I'm gonna use is a different font. So you're gonna hit Q here to exit, and we're gonna go to nerfonts.com, go to downloads, and we're gonna download Cascadia called nerfont. Just click download. Once you have done this, you're gonna end up with a zip file. Just go ahead and extract all the files into this folder. You're gonna see here all the font files. Just copy all of them, right click, show more options, and we're going to select install for all users. The reason why we're doing this is if we just install them, there could be sometimes that the terminal is not gonna find the font, so it's gonna start giving you some errors. But if we install it for all the users, this won't happen. Okay, so just go ahead and install for all users. Once you have done that, we can go ahead and taste our terminal. So we're gonna copy here, we're gonna paste this option here. As you see, Oh My Posh is totally working, but we have here the default theme. In my case, I don't really like it, so if you want, you can just do it like that, or you can apply a different theme. So you can go ahead and go with this themes here, and here's a preview of all the options that we have. The one that I really like is named Bubbles. So we can go ahead and taste how this will looks like. So we're gonna run the same command here, but we're gonna add the Bubbles theme. How we do that? So we go here, what it says, let me see here, configurations. Here it is. So we're gonna use this command. Paste it here, and we're gonna change the name file. We're gonna do bubbles. but if you remember, we don't have it on our root folder. We have this save under Posh Teams. Okay, we run this. Here's how I want my terminal to look like. So perfect. So to this part, everything looks good, everything is working. But here's the thing: if I open a new tab, we're gonna see that we're gonna use the default option. What is this? Because we need to run Oh My Posh as soon as we open the terminal. How we do that? So we're gonna copy this command here and we're gonna add it to our room file. How we do this? If you go to use my Posh bash, is usually this file here. So we're gonna check. We're gonna put sudo nano bash rc. Okay, and here you're just going to copy and paste our command, then hit Ctrl X to save it, Y to confirm, and enter to close it. So just doing this, if we open a new terminal, now it's gonna be running on my Posh, and that should be all. Now your terminal has a better aspect and looks really cool. If you have any question, just feel free to leave it in the comment section, and if you like the video, just give me a like so we can go ahead and post more tutorials like this.